The 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from Stow & Go seating or the innovative Swivel & Go seating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.